Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will tell you how to change screen color mode on Android 16. Let's begin. In order to change the screen color mode, first you want to go to the settings. In the settings, you want to scroll down a little and then enter display and touch. Here, after scrolling down, we will see colors right under color. So let's go to colors, and as you can see we have two modes to choose from, adaptive and natural. As you can see, it's barely visible. I think the difference is this one has a little bit more brighter colors, I think. But you can always check a different landscape for seeing the difference between the colors. So yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.